vibe. Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you for having us here. You're free to DM me. You're free to come see me. We do many challenges as you say. Look here. I think they're just months. They're just like 4 to 5 months.
Almost every people will get up on by you. Nothing number. Put you watch out.
And so Richie. Aja. Muganda Richie, we love you. We love you, Richie. Let's say it together. We love you, Richie.
Really, a message to the candidates. They have unique.
I have few words for the candidates. My dear candidates, Form 4, Form 6, these are your results. They're not your friends' results. These are Musomesao. They are your results. And trust me, Jetuli Bazetaga. You understand? So, the more you invest in, the more you what? You reap. So, Bate Basababambi. Happiness is there, but books first, okay? I wish you the best.
Thank you so much. We take a picture, yeah? Come. Let's take a picture. Put your 2 hands in the air, yeah? Put your 2 hands for winning.